So today we are going to talk about atom and molecules. So what is atom? Atom is the smallest particle of an element that retain its chemical properties. Atoms are the smallest particle. Nothing can be smaller than atom, okay? Rather than proton, neutron, okay? Atoms are extremely tiny, round about 0.0.1 nanometers. That is 10 raised to power minus 9. Okay, everything around us is made up of iron atoms. One gold atom is still gold. One oxygen atom is still oxygen. So now the structure of atoms. What does atoms have? Atom has a charge which can be positive or negative or zero. Proton. For proton the charge is plus one and its relative mass is one, and it is where it is located. It is located in the center. For example, if that is our atom, new proton will be here. There will be a proton, and neutron is also here. Neutron. Okay, neutron and proton has a relative mass of one. Sorry, relative mass of one, whereas electron has a mass of one over 1836. Electron has relatively compared to proton and neutron has less mass, and electrons are present in electronic shell, for example here or here, maybe in any shell. Okay, and the charge on electron is minus 1. Now, how to easy remember it? You can use it PNE method. P means positive, N means neutral, E means negative. Nucleus is a very small, very dense, and contain protons and neutrons. Hold almost all of the atom. Okay, mass of the atom. Electron shells are the electron moves around the nucleus in energy levels. That is called shells. For example, that is the atom. Here we have neutron and proton. Electrons would be out of it. Okay, those areas are called shells. And as we will move to the next topics, then we are going to talk about the first shell, second shell, third shell, and fourth shell. For example, first shell can accommodate only 2 electrons, whereas second shell and third shell can accommodate 8 electrons. For example, sodium has 11, has a electronic configuration of 11. So what will happen? So what will happen that it in its first shell it will have 2 electrons. In its second shell it will have 8 electrons. And how many electrons are remained? One. So in eighth electron it has third shell, it has just 1 electron. We will discuss about it when we are going to complete this series. Atomic number is equal to number of protons. Okay, just remember it. Atomic number is equal to 6. That means it has 6 protons. Okay. Mass number is simply proton number plus neutron number. Okay, carbon mass number is 12, whereas carbon has 6 proton and 6 neutron. If you add them proton and neutron, you get the mass that is 12. What is isotopes? Isotopes are the atoms of same element. They have same number of protons, but they have different number of neutrons. That is the important thing. They have different number of protons. Example is carbon 12 and carbon 14. Both have 6 protons, but both have different number of neutrons. You can six see carbon 12 has 6 neutrons, whereas carbon 14 has 8 neutrons. 8 plus 6 is 14, that is carbon 14, and 6 plus 6 is 12, that is carbon 12. Molecule. Molecule is two or more atom chemically bonded together. For example, O2 is a molecule, okay, because two oxygen atoms are bonded. Hydrogen, two hydrogens are bonded. H2O water, two hydrogen, one oxygen. Same for that is called molecule. For example, carbon and that. Atom versus molecule. Atom is a single particle. Okay, we have seen that atom is a single particle. Okay, smallest unit of the element. Example helium. Whereas molecule is two or more atoms bonded together. Smaller units of many substance. For example, oxygen. Elements contain only one type of atom. For example, gold, iron, oxygen, hydrogen. Compound contain different elements, chemically bonded in fixed properties. For example, water. Water has hydrogen that is a different compound, and oxygen that is a totally different compound. For example, NaCl. Okay, elements versus compound. Only one type of atom. Okay, elements have only one type of compound. Cannot be broken chemically. Okay, example O2. Whereas different compounds or different atoms chemically bound can be broken. For example, water. Okay, water has different kind of electron, different types of elements. Molecules of elements. Some elements naturally exist as molecule. Remember the seven diatomic elements: H2, N2, O2, F2, Cl2. Memory take. Have no fear of ice cold beer. Okay, you can. That is sorry. That is HNFOICB. Okay, that's a easy thing. Chemical formula tells us which elements are present and number of each element. Example is H2O. We have two hydrogen, one oxygen. CO2 is same, one carbon, two oxygen. Relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass, or AR, is average mass of an atom compared with 1/12 of carbon 12 element. Carbon is 12, oxygen is 16, hydrogen is 1. That is called relative atomic mass. Relative molecular mass, sum of all the ARs. For example, MR of water is what? MR of water is, we have two hydrogens, so that is 2. So plus one oxygen, AR is 16, so that will give us 18. That's all about it. And